Hello and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 10. He eats. She drinks. He talks. She watches. He reads. She writes. He plays. She works. He walks. She runs. Where does he eat? In the restaurant. Where does she drink? In the cafe. Where does he talk on the phone? In the kitchen. Where does she watch TV? In the living room. Where does he read? In the library. Where does she write? In the classroom. Where does he play football? In the garden. Where does she work? In the shop. Where does he walk? In the countryside. Where does she run? In the city. Does he sing in the restaurant? No, he eats. Does she sing in the classroom? No, she writes. Does he take selfies in the garden? No, he plays football. Does she listen to music in the cafe? No, she drinks. Does he play football in the kitchen? No, he talks on the phone. Does she dance in the living room? No, she watches TV. Does he watch TV in the library? No, he reads. Does she buy clothes in the shop? No, she works. Does he buy bread in the countryside? No, he walks. Does she read in the city? No, she runs. What does he do in the restaurant? You say. He eats. What does she do in the cafe? You say. She drinks. What does he do in the kitchen? He talks. What does she do in the living room? She watches. What does he do in the library? He reads. What does she do in the classroom? She writes. What does he do in the garden? He plays. What does she do in the shop? She works. What does he do in the countryside? He walks. What does she do in the city? She runs. That's it for today. Thank you for coming and see you next time. Goodbye.